Today's video is to show you my Devi Ma's look on each day of Navratri and also my decoration ideas. Hello everyone and welcome back to Prashika's World. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for sharing, liking and commenting on my video and also subscribing so far. So I have used these artificial grasses, 2 in numbers, which was less than 300 per piece, and I am adding in the fairy lights at the back. Also adding in some artificial red flowers to the background. And this is how it looks. Gorgeous, right? I had placed this as a background, and this is my Devi Ma from last 10 years. This is her day 1 look. So this year for day 1 you should dress up Devi Ma in yellow. Day 1 is dedicated to Shailaputri Devi. On this day, devotees offer Devi Ma with pure ghee with a belief that Goddess Durga will bless them with a life free of diseases. And this is her final look. I had also added pink torans as a surrounding to Devi Ma to enhance the look. This is the aarti and sweets on day 1 for all of y'all. So on day 2 you should dress up Devi Ma in green, and that's why I had put in the chunri which was green in color, a mala which was green in color, and also gave her a green bindi. On day 2 we worship Goddess Brahmacharini. She is offered with sugar for long life of the family members. This is the aarti and sweets for day 2 for all of y'all. And here you go with the day 3 aarti. And this is how Devi Ma looked on day 3. So on this day you can dress up Devi Ma in shades of grey. And so I had dressed her up in grey and blue look. In addition to the current decoration, I thought of decorating it even further. So I had taken a cardboard, taken a plate, drawn a big circle, cut it with a base as an extra piece. I have taken these shiny glitter craft papers and I have stuck it as the background of the cardboard. Now with the help of glue, I am sticking pearls as the lining of this piece. Now in the middle, with the help of gum and sequins beads, I am creating a swastika. Now with the help of double-sided tape, I am going to add these fairy lights on the outer line of this piece. And this is how it looks with the fairy lights. And now the look seems to be complete. On day 3, we worship Goddess Chandrakanta. We offer kheer to Devi Ma on this day to cure all our pains in our life. I've also used this table lamp as a focus light. Goddess Kushmanda is worshipped on the Chaturthi or day 4 of Navratri. This is Devi Ma's look on day 4. We should dress up Devi Ma in the shades of orange. I have pleated her sari with orange dupatta, and also her chundri is orange in color. I've also added bindi which is orange in color. And this is the aarti for all of y'all. On this day, we offer Malpua to Goddess to be blessed with intelligence and decision-making skills. This is the aarti for day 5 for all of y'all. Goddess Kandamata is worshipped on Panchami. We offer bananas on this day to Goddess Durga. And this is the sweet that we had kept for the day. On this day, you should dress up Devi Ma in shades of white and that's why her dress has the pearls, and also all her malas are pearl beaded. Goddess Katyayani is worshipped on day 6. She is the form of Shakti. On this day, we should dress up Devi Ma in shades of red. And I must say, this was the best look of all the days that Devi Ma had. This is the sweet that we had offered. And this is how she looked at the night with all the lights turned on. So on this day, we offer honey as prasad. Here is the sweets and aarti on day 7. On this day, we should dress up Devi Ma in shades of blue. On Saptami, we worship goddess Kalratri. Jaggery is offered as prasad to goddess to get relief from any pains and obstacles in life. So this time Navratri was just for 8 days, and that's why I had clubbed the 8th and 9th day together. So on Ashtami we worship goddess Mahagauri, and on Navami we worship goddess Siddhidatri, and she signifies perfection. To goddess Gauri we had offered coconut, and to goddess Siddhidatri we had offered sesame seeds for safety and security from unnatural events. On the 8th day, we should dress up Devi Ma in shades of dark blue. On the last day, it should be shades of pink. So I had mixed both of them in her look this day. We had also celebrated Saraswati Puja on the same day, worshipped goddess Saraswati Ma along with the books that we had. And this is Saraswati Ma's photo where we have added a bindi, a nose pin and a pearl earring as well. Also we had put a lal chunri on the photo. And this is how the last day of Navratri was celebrated this year. This is the aarti for all of y'all, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Prashika's World is thankful to all of you to be part of our family. If not yet subscribed, then please do subscribe to get notified for any new video. We shall come back to you with another interesting video soon. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy, my friends. Goodbye.